Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to settings here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on accessibility here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you just click here on face ID and attention here. You just click on it. You come here to attention here, our futurist. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.